In this video, we'll show you how to change the door lock switch on your Ford Fusion. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Open the door. Using a small fork, remove the cover located in the door opening. Using a Torx T15 screwdriver, unscrew the first screw holding the door panel. Then remove the plastic trim. Disconnect the connector by pressing on the plastic tab and pulling it. Using a flathead screwdriver, lift the 4 clips holding the door lock switch. You can order the parts used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new part and install it on the plastic trim. Reconnect the connector into the door handle. You can now clip the plastic trim back onto the interior door handle. And screw it back on. Replace the plastic cover. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.